Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory. Do you have patients that don't listen? Patient compliance is a problem with every dental professional in the industry. No matter how much you stress they need to do something, follow instructions, wear something, you just can't trust them to comply like you want them to. Unfortunately, I'm one of those patients as well. I'm a little non-compliant. I always had a problem wearing my guard. I knew I had to, I knew it was important, and I knew I was clenching and grinding, but I just didn't want to put the guard in my mouth. I didn't want to sleep with it. It was kind of a pain. Those patients that are grinders, clenchers, they're grinding their teeth down to nothing. Maybe they got a brand new crown or set of veneers or even a full arch, and you don't want them to ruin all the hard work that you put into those, of course, the hard work we put into making everything look beautiful, and then all the money the patient spent. As I mentioned, I was one of those patients until I got my miniComfort. So it is a mandibular guard. It's soft, very soft as you can see. It is very thin. It has two disccluding elements that align with the cuspids. So it's really a deprogrammer. So as the patient goes to close their teeth because they're used to clenching and grinding, they're gonna hit those disccluding elements and it's gonna remind them to stay open. And ultimately it's a deprogrammer, especially when you're wearing it during the day. And it may even help deprogram them at night so they don't have to wear it at night. They're not gonna clench and grind. Again, I recommend wearing it at night. I wear mine every night. It's very easy to seat. You wet it, seat it. There's no adjustments needed. The only time we see maybe a little bit of adjustment might be is if it is impeding on the tissue. Then you just take some scissors and cut it back, and that's it. You're not wasting chair time seating one of those hard guards that just take a lot of adjustment typically. There's two options. There is a 1 millimeter thickness and a 1.5 millimeter thickness. I recommend for the patients that are clenching and grinding during the day, the 1 millimeter thickness, because it's great. You can't see it. It's almost invisible. You can speak very clearly with it. It doesn't impede your speech at all. And then at night for those grinders or clenchers, I recommend a 1.5 millimeter thickness. The great thing about this is when you order a miniComfort from ROE Dental Laboratory, we send you two, so you can mix and match. You can do two 1 millimeters, two 1.5 millimeters, or do a 1 and 1.5 millimeter thick miniComfort for your patient. I mentioned that I wear this. I wear this every night. I travel a lot for my job. There's times where if I don't bring my miniComfort, I have a problem going to sleep because I want this thing in my mouth because it's like a little comfort blanket for my mouth, a little blankie for my mouth. It is a phenomenal product. I can just pop it in, I can breathe fine. That's one of the main issues is you have this bulky guard in your mouth and it's not comfortable to seat, and it almost feels like you can't breathe at night. Not with the miniComfort. Partial coverage, very thin, comfortable to wear. Wake up in the morning, I don't have that jaw pain anymore. I became a compliant patient because I'm not kidding, I wear this every night. I actually have a second miniComfort that I keep in my travel bag now because I don't want to forget it because I want my little blankie at night to help me from clenching and grinding. I love this thing. So if you want to increase patient compliance on these splints and guards, you want to protect the investment of a brand new crown, veneers, full arch, whatever it might be. The patient spent a lot of money, you spent a lot of time, we spent a lot of time. Let's get a miniComfort in that patient's mouth to help protect that investment and stop these patients from clenching and grinding daytime and nighttime. We look forward to working with you, and remember, order your miniComfort. It's free for any dental professional out there.